Monkey arms. I shower with one arm up high, pressed against the wall. Some of you may wonder why, and others just not care. It stops me toppling when my eyes are closed, I grant, especially when ballerina posed upon one soapy limb. But no, as those in health may guess, it is to protect my PICC, a tube that runs from arm to heart inside and delivers special medications with uninterrupted ease, a lifeline whose exit must avoid wet or risky bugs. So I stand like woolly monkey, right hand up high, my left hand curled right under, patting soap into the armpit, admitting grunting noises as I stretch my body round and try to reach all the areas with that right side pointing skyward. Tried all I have, from plastic bags or cling film to some clever shop-bought tubes with unforgiving rubber seals gaping at each end. But all to no avail, as holding up that arm out of shower's spray was still the best and simplest chimp-like trick I know. So monkey pose it is that I recommend to all, a nonchalant lean on the top of the showering wall. Ignominious but effective when indoors, if you please, but not if your shower is open and sits in jungle trees.